it's your girl Crown Me, Rastadol. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are already subscribed, mwah, so glad to have you back. If you are new to me, I do hair videos, I do makeup videos, I do weekly vlogs. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell just so you are notified when I drop some new fire, some new heat or whatever, okay? So for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and create this top knot. I went ahead and got fancy, put some chopsticks in it, and of course we got the bang, okay? The BAYANG, to be exact. In addition to this beautiful makeup look, I had to get my last bit of summer in, my last bit of yellow and orange and just bright colors in. I ended up using this Juvia's Place Wahala palette. I actually purchased this like when it first came out and I never used it, and Juvia's Place does it again. So without further delay, let's jump straight into this video. Today we're going to be doing a top knot bun with some bangs. For the bangs, I actually have a previous video where I demonstrate about 3 to 4 different styles of bangs. That video will be linked down below, and I'm also going to put it here. So definitely go check that video out if you want more options in terms of how to create bangs with locks. So for today, I want more like a fringe bang. I'm not going to twist it or anything like that. Definitely hit the subscribe button because I have a lot of ideas swirling around in my head and your girl is trying to stay consistent, period. So let's get into it. Step 1, the bangs. I'm going to section out a portion of my locks where I will want to create my bang. So as you can see, all of my locks are different lengths. I don't want my bangs to look like this, all lopsided and crazy, right? So being that this one is kind of like the shortest one I have and it's right in the front of my head, I'm going to use that one as a standard as to where I'll end on my locks. This guy is clearly way longer than him. So I'm just going to like fold him up so that he's the same length, okay? You see that? Folding it up so it's the same length, and I'm going to do that for all the locks. So fold him up so he's the same length. Fold that guy up, now it's the same length. Fold this one up, same length. Okay, you guys, so now I have like a general flush amount of locks. I'm gonna kind of just like place it where they're gonna go. We don't want it this low. I could bring it higher. So you're gonna play with the placement. As you can see, my hand is right here. What I'm gonna do is put a rubber band right here where my finger is, just to hold like the position of the locks. So we'll push that back and we'll place our rubber band like right here where we need it. I'm gonna take some good old pins and pin it. See, I'm taking the pin and I'm literally just securing the bangs. Secure the bangs, sis. So now my bang is secure. I'm gonna go about creating my bun, but first off, I just wanna like, you know, neaten up the edges. So step number 2, edges. Using my Eco Styler gel, I'm going to go ahead and fix up my edges. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil one. I don't really like this one. To me, it's kind of watery. I don't know if it's just like the black castor oil and flaxseed formula, but I find this one is like super watery. But I'm going to use it out, honey. We're going to use it. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this cream of nature with argan oil. Perfect edges, extra firm hold on my edges, and you know, crisp that up or whatever. And I use a little toothbrush to perfect my edges. Here, of course, that extra hair that we have from the bang is just going to sit back, and that's going to go into our buns. Starting with this half of my head, I want it like literally on the top of my head. now I have everything up in a bun. I want to situate my bang. Now I'm gonna place my hair tie. Feeling like I want more hair in my bang. Pull out any hair that might be tight. Don't leave it tight like that. So I also have a top knot bun tutorial. So in that video, I really slow down and show you guys how I create my top knot bun. So I'll also link that down below, and it will also be right here. Step 3, the bun. So I'm gonna take this portion and wrap it around. Wrap it around. As you guys saw, I just took that twist, wrapped it around, and I think I'll just tuck it. Now we're gonna take the hair again, take a section from this side this time, kind of stagger the sections, and place that on top of what we already have. So here we have our top knot and we have our bangs. Okay. So in order to secure my bang while I do my makeup, I'm gonna kind of just like roll it over so it could get kind of like a bump hopefully, and just use these clips to like secure it. Okay. Alright guys, time to get glam. Going in with this serum. This is just to brighten my complexion. Next I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and voila, brows are on. I'm going to be using the P. Louise base today. This is number 3, and I'm just going to blend that out on my eyelids. Today we're using this beautiful Wahala palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to be using mainly those 4 colors that I pointed to. I'm going to go in with that more orangey peachish shade to begin with. So in this video, I decided to keep a lot of the makeup eye portion in because, you know, sometimes I'm just trying to edit the video and get it as crisp as possible, but today I decided to really show you guys how much blending goes into this look, okay? So pretty much as you can see, I'm still blending this color. I'm picking up a little bit at a time, concentrating the color in the outer V and blending it out. Next, I'm going to go in with this gorgeous yellow, and we're going to put that on top just to blend out that peach color, right? Because we don't want it to transition from our brown skin complexion just into peach. So I'm holding the brush at the tip, which is going to give you more of a fluffy blended look. And we're just blending that yellow into that orange peach shade. And I absolutely actually love the color that these two mixed into. I actually want to do another like look with it. I'm mixing the red and the purple shade. It mainly looked purple on my eyes, and I'm going to be placing this in the outer V. Again, we're just deepening up this crease. I will be cutting it soon, but I still want that deepened up, really nice crease, right? That's what we want. So like I said, I'm just showing you how much goes into it. Now I'm going back in with the brush that had the peach shade on it. I didn't pick up any additional product, and I'm blending. Going back in with the purple, I'm blending again. And I'm basically just switching in between the brush with the purple on it and the brush with the orange and yellow on it, and just blending until I'm happy with the blend, okay? Back in with the peach, and then you're going to probably see me go back in with the yellow. There we go, okay? I'm just going to continue to do this until I'm happy with it. Going in with number 0, the white P. Louise base, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. As you saw, I kind of looked up because I do have somewhat of a hooded eyelid, so makeup tends to transfer on me. So that's why, you know, I have to look up, mark it, and then go ahead and pat the base in. So I'm sorry I'm kind of low, but I was really in my mirror. I was trying to get that line crispy. So this is the same yellow shade that we used to blend out our crease, and I'm laying this on top of that P. Louise base, and as you can see, that yellow is stunning. Like, if you guys know palettes, you guys know yellow is yellow can get tricky, and this yellow is stunning. Okay, this pink, okay guys, so here what I kind of thought it was recording and it wasn't recording, and I had already laid down the pink, but I go in and show you pretty much what I did, which was literally just lay down the pink and blend the pink and the yellow in the center. So as you can see on this eye, I'm laying down the pink, right? But the yellow kind of got lost, so I'm, patting some yellow in there and just blending the two shades together until it looks seamless. Now we're going to go back in with the purple and we're going to deepen up that crease, right? We just want everything to look as seamless as possible. We want the yellow to fade into the pink, to fade into the purple, to fade into that kind of orangey crease that we have, right? So yeah, pretty much I'm pleased with it. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyelids. Voila. Magic of YouTube. So we're gonna go on to face. I use my Fenty Beauty primer today. This is the mattifying one, and I placed that all over my face. Today we're using the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundations. I did a pump of number 12 and a pump of number 13, and I mixed these two colors together, and as you can see, okay, these two colors are literally perfect, and I forgot how much I like this foundation. I actually want to do another video in which I just use some things that I haven't used in a while, because that was bomb. For concealer, we're using the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the number 12. Again, great affordable product. Absolutely I love Juvia's. So pop it, right? So for contour, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place contour stick. This is in the color Tunisia. I absolutely love these sticks for contour because they are so creamy. When I start to blend, you're going to see like it literally blends out like a dream. Look at this, guys. It like melts into your skin. It doesn't look too crazy. It's not too dark. I just think like it's the perfect color for me. So I'm just going to blend this contour in. Now onto concealer. I like to have my concealer sit there for a little while, hence why I dealt with the contour first, and now I'm back on the concealer. And oh my goodness, I love the complexion part of makeup. Like, come on, I'll be looking at myself like, yeah girl, you did that. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the rest of the concealer, and yeah, next we're gonna get into setting this face, honey, because we want everything the way it is. This is the Laura Mercier honey powder, and I'm gonna just set wherever I put that Juvia's Place concealer, everywhere that I want to brighten, which is under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my cubic bow, a little bit on the forehead, and I got fancy. I'm getting kind of fancy with the honey since it's a little more yellow tint to it. I went like kind of on my jawline. To set my face, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth powder in the color Deep, and I'm pretty much just dusting this all over my face, blending in the contour with the highlight, with, just blend everything together and bring back the color to my face. Now I'm going to I'm gonna look cute, I guess that's what we doing. We just looking cute. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty contour powder, and I'm just gonna go over. I like to use this powder when I do a cream contour, just because it's not too much, it's not too dark. It's just like a very minimal bronzer. So yeah. Next, we're using blush. This is a Knot blush. This is honestly one of my favorite blushes. I use this in every video. It's just the perfect peachy shade. Today, I believe this is the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter. Yeah, I'll put all the items that I use down below. So, of course, we're going to highlight because I love highlight, okay? I always have to, like, fix up my liner just because with all the powders and things like that, it tends to get kind of, like, dusty. So, I clean that up with a pen. And now I'm just adding a little gold, a little shimmer in my inner corner. For the bottom lash line, I'm running some of that same yellow just to bring the eyes into like a unison look. And then we're taking that same pink. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh, I love the colors in this palette. Like, I want to do another look. Like, I have to use this palette again. I love it. So pretty much, as you can see, just blending out that pink and that yellow on the lower lash line. We're going to spray our face. We're going to fan our face, and then we're going to add some mascara. So at this point, if you like lashes, you can go ahead and add lashes, which would look gorgeous, but I do not wear lashes. So this is the Bad Gal Bang mascara, and look at that length, okay? I really, really like this mascara. So next, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and before I apply my makeup, let's give these eyes a moment. I mean, come on, Juvia's palette. Come on, blend. Come on, horizon look. Like, oh my goodness, I was in love with my eyes. This is the Fenty Beauty lipstick. The name will be down below. It's the nude one. So now it's time to unveil this hairdo. Love, okay? Absolutely in love with this hairstyle. I went ahead and added these naturally dope earrings, which I got from a vendor. So beautiful. Next, we're gonna add in our accessories. We're gonna be using these chopsticks that I actually got on Amazon, and it's so simple. Literally just stick the chopstick in your bun. I mean, it can't get any more simpler, but yet still cuter than this, right? Come on, guys. So pretty much this is it. Alright, you guys, so this is going to complete this look. Everything came out just like amazing. I went with these earrings that say naturally dope, and then I went ahead and put like some natural looking chopsticks in my hair. I also have these silver chopsticks. I actually got these chopsticks on Amazon, and I know I did not get it to put it in my hair. I actually got it to eat some noodles with, okay? But I was like, you know what? Let's make it work. It's a twofer, okay? It's a 2-for-1, honey, okay? We eating and we styling, period. So pretty much this is gonna conclude this video. I really enjoyed getting ready with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the hairstyle. I hope you guys recreate the hairstyle. Definitely go over to my Instagram page, Crown Me Rastadol, so you can see some fire pics, which I'm about to go take with this look. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have yet to do so. Liking and commenting helps both me and you, because the more you like and comment, the more YouTube knows that you're liking what you're seeing, and the more they recommend my videos for you. So please go ahead and do that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Deuces.